Hey guys, I'm Kerry. In this video, you'll be learning about adjectives. An adjective modifies a noun or a pronoun. To modify means to describe or to make the meaning of a word more specific. An adjective is a modifier that tells what kind, which one, how many, or how much. For example, what kind? Spilled ink, English tea, howling winds. Which one? This park, these papers, that house. How many? 20 miles, a man, several apples. How much? No salt, enough water, some food. An adjective may be separated from the word it modifies. For example, he is clever. Clever modifies the pronoun he, however it's separated from it. Another example, the sky had become cloudy suddenly. Note, an adjective that is in the predicate and that modifies the subject of a clause or sentence is called a predicate adjective. Computer tip. Using a computer's thesaurus can help you choose appropriate adjectives. Dictionary tip. To make sure that an adjective has exactly the meaning you intend, look up the word in a dictionary.
Time to get serious. Time to get serious!
Let's practice. Identify the bolded words that are not adjectives.
Complete the mission.
Time is up, and here are the answers. Great job, guys! To learn more about adjectives, check out my playlist, Adjectives. Like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay grammarous. Bye bye bye!